Hey everyone, today you'll see a review of a Puluz branded protective case for GoPro Hero 5 and 6. So here is my GoPro Hero 5 and here is my broken original protective case that came with the GoPro. The mount broke off due to excessive shaking. So let's see how it compares with the original one. So the contents of this pack are the protective casing, a screw and a mount. So you could see the brand naming in every piece, but not on the frame itself. I bought this on Banggood. The link I have put in the description. And if you look at this, the size looks a bit larger than the original one. Side by side comparison shows that. And also the original GoPro version has shiny finish, whereas this third party version has a matte finish. You could see like a rubberized finish. And then so if we look at the other stuff, the back panel has a foam padding to protect it, whereas the original one doesn't have one. And what else? If you look at the clamp to lock it in place, so you could see this spring-loaded steel piece, which is small and shiny in the original one. You could see it shinier, whereas the new one, it looks larger, shiny on the one side, whereas looks rusty on the other side. So it raised a lot of concern whether it will last a month or two in a rough weather. And on the side panel cutouts, if you see side by side, in the original GoPro version, so this is how it will stack up. So you could see that in the original version you can remove the side cover for the charger and HDMI access, and you have the access. This one looks like as if you could open the panel even without removing it from the case. So if I try to fix it in, okay, since I'm filming on one of my hand, okay, so this is how it fits in the new casing. So it looks as if it could come out, you could slide out, but if I lock it in, so okay, let's try to lock this in first. And also a large gap for the record button and also a large slot for the mode button, whereas the original one has a rubberized button molded into it and the large nice smooth gap for the record button. Okay, let's try to lock this in. So I don't see any gap in the frame. It is fits snugly. Okay, let's try to lock this in place. Okay, I locked this in place. You could clearly see that it's not flat as in when you lock it in a GoPro case, but it holds okay. And there is a hole for the microphone. You could see the hole. Okay, but here is the catch. So it looks like the design was to support opening this. You could see that it could move slightly, but it hits the case at the back. I don't know if you could see it. So you could not move beyond that. So the back frame, right, is not perfect. There is a like 1 or 2 millimeter difference. Because of it, it will not work for the purpose of the design. And yeah, this looks like cheap plastic than the original one. I'm not sure about this screw, whether it's a stainless steel or a normal steel screw with chrome finish, which would rust in few hours or few days in rain or water. I'll show you how it would look if you put the GoPro in the original GoPro case. Okay, so I have put my GoPro Hero 5 in the original case. You could see that there is no gap, so it's a perfect fit. Even though you don't have any access, like everything is designed and it fits perfectly. Okay, that's all for now. I will also review how the tempered glass protector for GoPro works in my next video. Thank you.